Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So today I'm going to show you how you can add a new page in a website. So after watching this video, you will be able to add a new page in your website, and then you can add as many pages you want in your site. So let's start. So here I have opened this editor of any site, and right now if you need to add any of the page, you can just click here in your pages. As you can see, it is given site pages. So to add a new page, you simply need to click here. So here you have an option of these already designed templates. So if you go to about, these are all the templates that you can add if you want. If you're someone who don't know how to design a page, then you can try using or adding this one of this page, and you can then simply add a color and add the images or a content that you want to add in the respective page. So if you go to services, here are the other options, same as the about us. So again, you can select any of these, same as the projects, same for the contact, and your general means you can use these layouts in any of the pages that you have on your site, which you feel can suitable of for the content of any of the page in your site. This is the 404 error page. You can also add any of these, or you can design on your own. So these are all the options, but if you want to design on your own, then you can click on blank page. So simply click on this gives you the option to rename it. If you don't want to rename it, you just need to enter and it's done. But if you want to rename it, so there are two ways you can again rename it by simply clicking here. Another option is to click here and we give this name as about us. So this is how you can add a page in Wix site. So now, for example, if you want to duplicate this page, so then simply click on this and duplicate like this. And if you want to rename this as contact us, and you can just simply type this and enter, and it's done. Then you can add the content related to contact us, and you can add content in the about us that we created before. You can add here about us content. So this is how you can do this. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such Wix based tutorials. Thank you.